Hey friends! Graduation cap, have you ever wondered which is better, online education or offline education? Thinking face. Should you study from home with a laptop or learn in a classroom with teachers and friends? Today, we're going to compare both and find out their advantages and disadvantages. Let's get started. Smiling face with smiling eyes.
Hi Arjun. What are you studying today?
Hi Maya. I'm studying online.
Really? I prefer offline classes.
That's interesting. Let's discuss online education versus offline education.
Great idea.
Online education allows students to learn through the internet.
They can study from home, right?
Exactly.
That's very convenient. Offline education happens inside a classroom.
Students attend school or college physically.
Teachers and students interact face-to-face.
That creates a different learning experience. Online education is very flexible.
How?
Students can learn anytime and anywhere.
That's a big advantage. Offline classes provide a proper learning environment.
That's true.
It helps students stay focused.
Distractions are usually less. Online learning uses modern technology.
Videos and animations make lessons interesting.
Students can replay lessons anytime.
That's very useful. Offline education improves social skills.
Students make friends easily.
Group activities are fun.
I agree. Online education can be less expensive.
There are no transportation costs.
Students can save money.
That's a good point. Offline education is better for practical subjects.
Students can use laboratories.
Hands-on experience is important.
Absolutely. Online education depends on internet access.
Poor internet can interrupt learning.
That's frustrating.
Definitely. Online students need self-discipline.
It's easy to get distracted.
Time management becomes important.
Very true.
In offline classes, teachers can help immediately.
Students can ask questions directly.
Communication is easier.
I agree. I think technology will play a bigger role in education.
Schools are becoming more digital.
Both systems are evolving.
That's exciting. So, which one is better?
Both have advantages and disadvantages.
Online learning offers flexibility.
Offline learning offers interaction.
It depends on individual needs.
Exactly.
Today we learned about online and offline education.
Both methods can help students succeed.
The most important thing is continuous learning.
Education opens the door to opportunities.
Keep learning and keep growing.
See you in the next lesson. That's it for now. See you in another new video. Goodbye.